These two crews look serious. Yeah. Fresh. Looking good, son. Looking good. Ah, yeah. What you got next? This is a Mexican standoff right here, this battle. You don't have to speak, just see and peep the technique. Representing all five on his t-shirt. With the teal pads.